a lot of people find the whole idea and practice of growing food and doing it organically to just be totally overwhelming. And there's so much information, and they're trying to Google their way to their successful garden, and it's just not an activity that really lends itself to that sort of inquiry. So raised garden beds are a really great way for people to sort of get a leg up when they're starting that whole process. We use cedar primarily for construction in our really wet environment. Really resists decay. So working with the soil that you have is a pretty abstract sort of process. And you might not know what's in your soil, you might not know what the proper things that you have to do to amend it. It might be full of weeds, you might just have a big lawn and not have soil to plant into. So raised garden beds, you get to actually choose the soil that goes into the beds. So I love growing food and crafting something that's going to be here and that's going to support the garden. So it's a good starting place for veggies.